Someone called for you.
Through and go by index position, which can be messy. So I don't know how you do that, but that's just kind of what I had envisioned. Kind of like the JSON project.
Yep.
But that's the only thing I'm familiar with, so I don't know.
So this is easier. I changed a little bit so you can see it better.
Ah, yeah, that's what we were looking for, right? Now, okay, so now it's returning tuples, which is interesting.
Yeah.
Probably just because I think that's just how the method works.
Well, we can turn it into keys and values from there.
Yeah, definitely. In fact, I think you can just zip those into a dictionary. You can zip tuples right into a dictionary. So you could turn each one of those into some dictionary. Yeah. I was thinking like you could turn each one to a dictionary and then build one big dictionary from the little dictionaries you have, but
Yeah.
that could be a pain in the arse. I don't know.
I still don't understand what walk is doing. Like, I see what it's doing, but I don't know how.
This is taking up each.
So you
I can see what it's printing,
for
but I don't know
subdirectory
what it's
and
doing.
file list in you're walking through your path as you root. So in your root path, for each directory, subdirectory, and file list, print the directory is what you're doing here, and then you're taking the directory and putting into your tree dict, and then printing out the file name here. If I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. And tabbing.
Yeah, a little formatting. But yeah, but what all walk is doing, I think, is just grabbing your directories, your subdirectories, and your file list in this case.
Recursively as it moves through the tree.
That makes sense. As far as
But
packing
does
all
that
up-
give us any control when it gets to the level? It's just kind of spitting everything back at us.
Yeah.
Which is why, see, that's why you're putting it in that
Yeah, we're
dictionary.
sort of
Okay.
saying about-
Yeah.
so we can do so.
Hmm.
And any files on this level, you can add one more element to this dictionary.
Yeah, right.
It
Then you
could
can,
be files, and then it could be a list,
exactly, yeah.
right? Because we see that all the time, like descriptor, we were always trying to add something other than the subdirectory or JSON.
Those are your, right,
But that'd be
those
the
are your
top
leads.
one, I don't know, just so we can get this, or the bottom, I don't care where it goes. But
No,
then
yeah.
everything else is a dictionary by nature, it has to be one or the other.
Right. Yeah.
So we'll only get two data types, really. We'll get files and sub, and then these will be, actually, you can just give it, this sub could be like, this will be an actual proper name, right? Like Jeeps or music or whatever.
Yeah, or Jeep's, what was it? Luxury or whatever it was, yeah.
And then will this contain the files as well as the dictionaries, or will it just be
Yeah.
like the names of like entries below, and we don't know what they are, whether they're dictionaries or not?
No, we would know it.
We would know
Yeah.
at that level.
Yeah, because this is going to be, I guess, this is everything. This is from our root down to our leaves. Whatever our final files are,
Right.
our last item is going to be a dictionary with a subdirectory and then a value pair. If there's just one file in it,
Yeah.
it'll just be that file. But if there's more, then, and it's just file, there's no subdirectories, then that's it, that list.
Yeah,
Our
our
files
bottom
are
will be
end
files,
leads.
because it could be
Yeah,
an
yeah.
empty dictionary, but that'll just be a,
I mean, it could be an empty dictionary, but that would just imply we have empty file space or something.
right.
You know what I mean? Because there wouldn't actually exist a file.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Like, I just didn't know how important it was. So this will be just one big long huge string, is that right?
No, well, a list. So, like this. So Jeeps, you have a list of subdirectories. You have
Yes.
a subdirectory with lists
Ah,
of
yeah,
even
just
of
keep it
other subdirectories that are nested within
yeah,
that,
yeah,
and
yeah.
then you can just
And in
dig
one of those dictionaries, it'll have files, and it'll just repeat the same structure.
something like that.
Yeah.
And you know what? We encoded our JSON, like for, remember our project was like assume no more than 3 levels deep?
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing here, right? Just we'll just. Trace.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so that's why we're getting those empty lists,
Yeah,
because
what-
we're in the
what is it?
directory.
You mean the sub?
Right now it's against that.
Yeah, like see chapter 10 statements,
Yeah.
that's a directory. It's in this list. But it's not here because we're already in there. There's no directories no other subdirectories in that directory, if you will. So that, I think this is kind of the approach we want, and then, because I think we can just slurp this stuff up and get it into this. Let's find out. Right.
Yeah, that. You ever see that?
What's that?
That's like SQL injection.
This is SQL?
They use that to hack.
Oh.
You ever see someone going dot dot slash slash dot dot slash slash?
Oh,
That's like a reference to like, go up a directory to this first slash just to escape the slash. It's like, I want you to travel up on your machine to your root and then download your keys.
Whoops. And that's where that came from. Well, no shit. Okay, so if you see, I'm in this directory, chapter blank, file practice, and these are my different blah, blah, blah. Those are all files in there. That's pretty neat. Chapter 11 notes and context. That's so cool. So so right here is how we can get what we need for this walk. Because basically, we pass in the path, and if we just want, so what I'm doing is root list is taking on files. So print, just all I want to do is print the root list of files. So what it does is it just goes into from the path we send it takes from that path and any subdirectory, it'll go in there, it'll take each subdirectory, any files in it, dump it into the list, and then spit it out for us. And it does that from top to bottom. So this is the top. Well, actually, I think it's in random order because this list came from chapter 11 notes, which is the second subdirectory down. So,
The order will matter, right?
as far as the method, I think it doesn't return it in any particular order.
Because it's a list.
Mhm.
Okay.
At least that's what it looks like, because this, again, these files in this list is coming from this directory, but it's second to last on the output to the console, whereas this list with these two files lives in this directory, which is is a directory above this one, so, I don't know.
That's what I see as the challenge.
Right, is knowing,